In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the Find and Replace Text feature in Canva. Whether you're polishing up a big project or simply making quick edits, this tool is a lifesaver, and I will guide you step by step to use it effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have your Canva project open. If you're not already there, go ahead and navigate over to it. This is your workspace, and having it open is the critical first step in ensuring you're ready to make the changes you need. Now let's get into the core of what we're doing today, finding and replacing text. This is especially useful if you've made a typo consistently or if there's a term you need to update throughout your entire design. To start, you'll need to go to the File menu at the top of your Canva interface. The File menu is your gateway to many essential tools in Canva, and today our focus is on one particular function. Within that File menu, you'll see an option that says Find and Replace Text. Click on that and it will bring up a dialog box specifically designed for this purpose. This is where the magic happens. In the dialog box, you'll find input fields where you can type in the word or phrase you are searching for, along with the word or phrase you want to replace it with. Make sure you're accurate here, since this tool will make the changes across all instances within your open Canva project. Once you've entered the text you want to find and the text you want to replace it with, the next step is simple but important. Click on Replace All. What this does is sweep across your Canva design, making the designated changes wherever that text appears. It's efficient, especially when dealing with lengthy documents or multiple design pages where manual changes would be time-consuming. And just like that, you're done. You've used Canva's Find and Replace Text feature to swiftly update your project, saving you both time and effort. It's one of those tricks that, once you know it, you'll find countless uses for, especially in larger or collaborative projects where consistency is key. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it out a few times to get comfortable. Once you master this feature, it becomes a great asset in your Canva toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!